Have you ever found yourself stuck trying to filter an array of objects in JavaScript? It can be a real headache, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to simplify the process of removing keys from objects in an array. I totally get it. You have an array of objects and you want to keep only certain keys. It can feel overwhelming when you're not sure how to do it efficiently. You're definitely not alone in this struggle. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, how can I remove keys from all objects in an array while keeping just the ID and value? They provided an example array and mentioned they were using a for loop to achieve this. Sound familiar? Let's dive in and find a better solution together. So what's the best way to tackle this? Using a for loop works, but there are more elegant solutions available in JavaScript. We can use methods like map to create a new array with only the keys we want. Let's break it down step by step. And stick around. I have a quick tip at the end that will make your coding life even easier. To begin solving this problem, the user can utilize the map function in JavaScript. This function allows us to create a new array by transforming each element in the original array. Next, the user should ensure that the original array is defined. This is important because the map function will operate on this array to extract the desired keys. After defining the original array, the user can run the map function. This will create a new array containing only the ID and value keys from each object. Finally, the user can log the filtered array to the console to verify that it contains only the ID and value keys as intended. Fun fact, did you know that JavaScript was created in just 10 days? Imagine what you could do with that kind of focus. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests using the map function to achieve your goal. This method allows you to iterate over each object in the array and create a new array with only the desired keys. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always remember to use array methods like map for cleaner and more readable code. It can save you time and make your code easier to maintain. And there you have it. You now know how to filter an array of objects efficiently. Remember, using the right methods can make a world of difference in your coding journey. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips and don't miss our next video where we tackle even more JavaScript challenges.